Your excuses will never build your dreams, but the following will. Every time you say, I'm too tired, I don't have time, or maybe later, your dream stays exactly where it is, unbuilt. But what if you could start today with only a few minutes a day, even while caring for a loved one? The Legacy Builder Blueprint is for those who want flexible daily income, to work from home or hospital rooms, to finally stop saying one day and start saying day one. No fluff, no hype, just a real path forward. Ready to stop making excuses and start making legacy moves? Then please contact me via my website, email, DM, or drop a comment for more information. And let me help you make legacy moves today.